Hey, what's going on, guys? Right now we're in the Camelback. We're about to go check out the snow tubing, maybe get some tickets. I'm here with my lovely fiance and we're about to go check it out. Here we go. So this is the snow tubing parking lot. It's a lot of cars, you know, expect to be parked all the way down there, but very nice. As you can see here, we got the mountains all the way on top there. Just walking here, chilling. Oh, we gotta go to a little tunnel. Look at that. We got a little tunnel we gotta go through. Oh my god, I'm scared. Be careful, guys. If you guys are like 6 feet and above, you might hit your head on these lights. So watch out, duck. Oh, going through the tunnel. Looks really cool. Look on there, look. Alright, so we are through with the tunnel. We're keep going. Wow, it's all the way up there, guys. Going all the way down, super fast. Now we're doing a nighttime one. That one has lights. They put the lights on, and it's gonna be pretty awesome, cool. And of course, Camelback is over there. But we're doing that later. Definitely packed. A lot of people here. Well, here you go, folks. We'll be back later to tell you what's going on afterwards.